Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it's going to be another wear test. It's this one right here, yeah. And this is the Bench Paint Box 24-hour lip tattoo. I know this has been around for a very long time, probably years, a year or 2 years. I'm pretty sure meron na nag-wear test nito, but I haven't seen anything because alam mo yun, ayoko maapektuhan yung personal opinion ko, so I want to try it for myself. Kasi the other day, I was actually scrolling sa Zalora. You know us girls, we always visit websites like Zalora, Lazada, Shopee, you know, for fun. And then nakita ko to, and nakita ko na to before, kaya lang parang sabi ko, parang hindi ko siya, alam mo, hindi ako na-entice. But then the other day nga, parang naisip ko, why not give it a try? Because it says here 24-hour lip tattoo. So you know, I'm all about anything that's long-lasting, that's food-proof. Well, hindi ko sure kung kiniklaim niya na food-proof siya or something like that. But since it's 24-hour lip tattoo, I'm assuming that it has to be very long-lasting, and it has to, and somehow it has to endure eating and drinking for the whole day, but we'll see. So this is what the product looks like up close. Paint Box by Bench 24-hour lip tattoo. I have the shade pink. And then dito sa likod, yung mga ingredients niya, it's also made in Korea. And I think I got this for $2.50 to $14.9. Ipopost ko na lang, like, you know, somewhere here yung real price niya. So let me just open it. So the applicator looks like this. Nothing too fancy, nothing too special. It's just a simple doe foot applicator. And it smells a little bit of paint. Packaging, it's plasticky, and it looks like alam mo yung parang itsura ng mascara, pero alam mo yung kwadrado lang siya. So yep, now it's time to apply it. So I have the shade pink key. It's time to apply it. Smells like paint. Okay, so I am done applying it. It looks so wet. Para siguro talagang pintura, alam mo yun, basa muna, tapos saka siya magdadry or magsaset. Hopefully magset siya. This pink color is legit pink, like so pink, like not necessarily bright pink. A little bit, yeah. Pero dark pink naman siya, hindi siya yung parang neon pink. First application, it's it's like a liquid gel. Parang siya pinaghalong jelly and liquidy. Pero alam mo yun, it's not like your typical liquid lipstick. Well, hindi naman niya sinasabing liquid lipstick siya. Like legit liquid lipstick siya. So I think I'm just gonna wait for this to set. Because it looks so wet, and ayoko mag-kiss sa back ng hand ko knowing that it's still wet. So it's been 3 minutes na. Mga glossy, I'm not sure, pero ayaw pa rin siyang i-test. I wanna wait a few more minutes. Yes, okay, let's wait. So it's been 15 minutes, and feeling ko naman ganun talaga siya, shiny shimmering. It's not gonna dry into matte. So I think okay na yung i-test ko siya. So meron siyang very slight transfer, and Yep, meron siyang slight transfer, pero parang hindi naman nabawasan yung sa lips ko. Nabawasan ng shiny shimmering splendid. Yeah, pero okay pa siya. So, it's time to test out kung food-proof and, you know, drink-proof ba iti. I mean, what? The question is, ano yun? Holding hands? Hindi nyo na alam. Holding hands, hindi mo naman alam. Ano kayo? Ba yan?
As long as I got you in my life.
Di ba itong baliw na to? Binigyan ko siya ng hash brown. Tapos ang offer ba naman sa akin?
Yan talaga. Huwag ka masyadong makasalanan. Pwede nga mag-wear sa magagandang pagkain.
Magagandang pagkain. Okay. Mamaya bili tayo ng repolyo.
Huwag makasalanan eh.
Hindi.
Pwede na mag-wear sa... May pinagong pa ako dyan. Pinagong.
Pinagong? Ano monay?
Pinagong nga. Pinagong nga.
It looks like a monay.
Pinagong.
Ano meron sa loob?
Wala, tinapay.
Sabi
Pwede
bili tayo.
kayo yan. Tumagin na.
Bili tayo palaman.
Hindi yung pinapalaman yan.
As is?
Matigas yan eh.
Tama. Tignan natin.
No, mo yan yung matigas.
No, monay is also matigas.
Lagyan mo ng kape. Sarap. Binibigyan mo sa akin pampataba.
Be, ano to?
Wala pa pala.
Healthy to?
Pinapay yan eh.
Bila sana siya monay. Thank you so much.
Time to wake up, time to move. I got you by my side, and I can do anything I dream as long as I got you in my life. Hey, hey, I'm happy to be with you. Hey, 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 it's a sunshine day. Hey, hey, I'm happy to be with you. Hey, 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 let's head out on the highway. We are onto something, something so good. We are onto something so beautiful. We are onto something, something so good. We are onto something so beautiful. This is heaven, this is love. There's no other meant for me. Not a cloud in the clear blue sky. We are one and we are free. Hey, hey, I'm happy to be with you. Hey, 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 it's a sunshine day. Hey, hey, I'm happy to be with you. Hey, 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 let's head out on the highway. We are onto something, something so good. We are onto something so beautiful. We are onto something, something so good. We are onto something so beautiful.
Hey guys, so again, it's already the next day. And it's like the late next day because it's already nighttime. I'm crazy busy, so yung ilang clip na pinakita ko sa inyo was the case of my lips after eating a sumptuous dinner. Nagluto ako ng Korean noodles and it has kimchi and crab sticks and cheese. So good. And then we also have chicken barbecue. It was a homemade chicken barbecue. So anyway, okay, ano bang masasabi ko dito sa Paintbox 24-hour lip tattoo? And honestly, you guys, nakita niyo naman sa wear test ko, it is very, very long wearing. Pero syempre may mga changes siya all throughout the day. So it started out as like this. This is a freshly applied na lip tattoo. So let me just stress this, you guys. Pag apply niyo sa kanya, it has a very, very weird, different consistency. Like I said, para siyang pinaghalong gel. And it's like a liquidy gel. And kailangan kailangan pantay niyo siyang ma-apply sa lips niyo. Kung gaano kayo ka-careful mag-apply ng liquid lipstick, ganun din dapat dito. Kailangan pantay sa edges and then sa middle. And marami siguro hindi magugustuhan yung formula niya because medyo upon application na medyo lang siya. Parang glue-ish, something like that. Pero pag na-apply niyo naman siya ng pantay and alam mo yun, no issues sa gilid and sa middle, it looks good, it looks okay. And then it looks shiny shimmering, it looks wet. So, alam mo yun, for the first few hours, kung wala kang gagawin sa lips mo, it's gonna remain like this, glossy. So, kung hindi mo napupusuan yung parang glossy type, baka hindi mo bet to. And then, pag kumain ka, sa first start ng kain mo, asahan mo na magkakaroon ng transfer. Parang matatanggal yung parang outer, outer protective covering niya or something like that. So, as you go along your day, magsasalita ka, kakain ka, pabawas ng pabawas yung shiny, shimmering, splendid. Pero mapapansin mo na mag-iwan siya ng tint. Diba? Nakita niyo naman ito sa wear test ko. Meron siyang pinkish tint because this is color pink. Meron siyang pinkish tint. And then, alam mo yun, yung pag-fade niya is maganda naman. Okay naman yung pag-fade niya. Kaya nga, I suggest, pag nilagay niyo to, ilagay niyo full lips, full pack on. Huwag yung parang isang ganun lang, tapos magaganon na kayo. No. Feeling ko hindi ganun kabongga yung magiging effect niya. So, maganda yung pag-fade niya and meron siyang, alam mo yon, tint talaga ng bonggang-bongga. So, what is my final judgment? Honestly, nag-enjoy akong gamitin to. And feeling ko maaasahan mo siya pagdating sa, alam mo yun, matinding pangangailangan. Kailangan mo ng lip color, pero alam mo yun, may buffet kang pupuntahan. Pero kailangan bigyan niyo siya ng time to set, time to really stick on your lips. Hindi yung 5 minutes after mo mag-apply, gugora kung kakain ka na ng bonggang-bongga. No. I think mahaba-haba nga lang yung oras ng setting time niya sa labi mo. Pero alam mo yon, once it's there, once na-stick na siya, it's good to go. Wala ka nang papablemahin. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. Pero etong shade na to, I think I recommend the red one. Kanina naghanap na ako ng ng nag-review. Hindi ko pinanood pero gusto ko lang makita kasi yung color red and it looks really really good. I think I recommend that color. Pero etong pink na to, bagay to sa my medium to fair to light skin tone. Kasi it's intense pink. Kung morena ka, baka magmukha tong neon pink sa'yo if you have really deep skin tone. So I suggest if you wanna try this, go get the red one. Am I gonna get the red one? Yeah, I am, yes. Pero like I said, hindi lahat feeling ko magugustuhan yung initial application niya because it feels weird. Yeah, it's not like your typical liquid lipstick. It's not your typical lip tint. It has its own world. It has its own formula. Pero, alam mo yun, it works. So, sa halagang $259, sulit ba siya? Okay ba siya? For me, yes. I would pay $259 for this. Pero kung umakit siya ng $300, ay, yung medyo pag-iisipan ko pa. At pag umakit pa siya ng more than $300, ay, ayoko na. Pero sa halagang $259, saktong-saktong siya. And yeah, I recommend it. Alright guys, so that completes this video. Sana nag-enjoy na naman kayo sa isa na namang wear test. Subscribe to my channel. I have social media accounts. All the links down below. So please do follow me. And mag-comment kayo sa baba kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo i-wear test ko, ano pa yung mga videos na gusto nyo makita. So alam mo yan, magkaroon tayo ng interaction. Hindi man ako nakaka-reply sa mga comments nyo, but girl and boy, nababasa ko lahat yan. Hate comments, appreciative comments, nababasa ko lahat yan. So thank you so much for taking time na mag-comment sa mga videos ko. And please do watch all my other videos. Marami pa akong wear tests. Punta lang kayo sa profile ko sa YouTube. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much guys. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!